What's up, guys? Good morning. It is Saturday morning. I'm just gonna take a walk here. I gotta go up to Angel's Bakery and grab me some bacon and a bagel for tomorrow's breakfast. Sunday I'll stay home, do a live stream. I know live streams aren't always for everybody. A little bit of drama, a little bit of controversy. Yeah, mix it up, right? Gotta mix it up. Remember, drama sells. Drama sells. Look at the Kardashians and all the drama that goes on there, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna take my morning walk. A little bit of exercise. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. Here we get by the clubs here playing music. Nobody wants to hear the music. It's off. It's not allowed. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Now we'll be okay. Guys, you know what? I heard something. Well, I read something, right? I call it the miserable group. The miserable expats. The one now look at it. I always like this here. Right? Go away every time. Yeah, call them the miserable group. Just expats that are part of a forum and they're just miserable people. What was it? What was it I read? Something to do with the effect of vloggers should be on walking street. They don't participate in any of the activities on walking street. So, because we don't participate in any of the activities, we shouldn't be on walking street. Sorry, we don't participate in going into the clubs and, you know, picking up the girls. The miserable group. The angry expat group. What else is going on? Hey, good morning. Kokomo should be closed, guys. Last night was the last night for Kokomos. I do hope they do well up the street. I think they're going to lose that foot traffic. Morning. I'm good. Always going to give a good price. I really do hope they do well up the road. They're going to lose that foot traffic from people that don't want to walk past Kokomos and only hang out here. They got the shutters up. Now I guess they're moving everything. I got to get everything up to the new location and set up everything there. Hey, vlogger. Hey, closed. Hey, they're closed. Yeah. Yep, they're closed. They're moving. You guys are moving now, huh? Yeah. All right. Away they go. I'll let you know when they're up and running. Can you walk up to it? Sure, you can walk up to it. Give it good exercise. Walk up to the new Kokomos. Might take you, I don't know, 10-15 minutes at a nice pace, and you can walk to it. Easily walk to it. Let me shoot down this way. Shoot up this way. So you walk there, you eat, and then you walk back. You can always grab a trike to get up there. I don't know what a trike, shouldn't pay more than 100 pesos on the trike to take you up there. 56.30, it's jumped again. Peso on the US dollar, 56.30. Always be careful. Always be careful when you're walking between the beat up sidewalks and the traffic. Always be careful. 56.25. 56.25. Morning, Auntie. back here is a little bit more, huh? These wires right here, look, you can touch them. They're so low you can touch them. I'll get your neck wrapped around that. Morning. I gotta work my way across here. All right, let's do it. Look out, look out. Yeah, they do have traffic lights here, but they're never on. They're never on. I think I remember when they did run at one time, but not no more. Here's your, remember this place on the left that was being tore down? You can see it's being built. See, it's being built up. Looks good. About 3-4 months ago, they were hammering this up and tearing the old building down. At least they got room for a parking lot here. That's a good thing. What'll be in there, I don't know. Probably multiple little businesses. Hercules. They got some balloons out at Hercules. Must be an event going on inside Hercules. Hey, you got their balloons and everything. All right. Well, there's Angel's Bakery right there. That's where I'm heading. I'm gonna head into Angel's Bakery and like I said, grab me some bacon and a bagel for breakfast tomorrow. All right, let's take a stroll back. Guys, I want to show you this here. You see this fence line here? You see this fence line right here, right? Runs all the way up the road, all the way to the back gate area. From my understanding, I was told that this is the original fence line when the air base was here. All this here. So I was told. Check this out. You wonder why things clog up. Isn't that nasty? Wow. But it's open. Hi, kitty. We even got a kitty hanging out there. Ah, yeah. I will stroll back this side. I haven't put out a video for a couple days. Just, I don't know, just haven't been feeling up to it. You know, what else can I do? Where else can I go? However, we do have a big trip next month. Stay tuned for that. Just haven't, like I said, just haven't been feeling up to it. I haven't been feeling too well. Here's your jeepney terminal. Runs all the way down to Hensonville and drops you off. I don't know how much pesos per ride. Kuya, Magkano to Hensonville? Magkano, what is it?
1 people, 212.
12 pesos per person. Yeah. All right, thank you, Kuya. There it is, 12 pesos now to ride the jeepney. From here all the way down to Hensonville, drop you off there at Friendship Highway. 12 pesos. You can always hop on the jeepney and go up to Margarita Station for 12 pesos. Fresh fruits this morning. Morning. Fresh fruits. Mango banana.
Yeah.
What's in season now? Mango?
Huh?
Mango in season?
Not really.
What's in season? Longanisa.
Yeah, lanzones.
Lanzones, that's it.
Yep.
Not dragon fruit,
There is
but not in season.
somehow.
Somehow, yeah. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
They'll always like to know what's in season and what is out of season. Look at these tiny little things. Yeah, we got little apples. Are they apple? Is that apple?
Cherry apple.
Cherry apple.
Yes.
All right. They're very small. Yeah. All right, thank you. What's the problem? People, hey, you don't buy. You ask, you don't buy. That's ignorant. Well, things aren't marked here. It's not like you're going to Walmart and where everything's marked and you could see for yourself how much prices, how much things are priced at. You have to ask here. There's nothing marked here unless you go into a mall. Not only that, it gives you guys ideas of what you're going to spend here, how much things cost here. It's nothing to do with, oh, you're so cheap. You're always asking, but you don't buy. Has nothing to do with that. It's to give you an idea how much things cost here. Another look. Argue the station. Closed. Closed. Blowing your horn. Blow your horn. Blow your horn. The pink pussycats around. A pink pussycat. Where's the pink pussycat? Morning. Where's the pink pussycat? I don't see it. Yeah. All guys, I'm just gonna wrap this walk up. There's our morning walk up to Angel's Bakery and back to Walking Street. Like I said, Kokomo's old place is officially closed. When they reopen at the new place, I'll make sure to get up there. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.